Hi, for challenge 3 we are going to add texture to one of our photos. So first of all you open up one of your photos like I've done here, and you also open up one of the textures you have chosen, either your own or one from our challenge 2 folder. Next you're going to grab the texture by pressing V for the move tool, or press the button up here, grab it, hold and drag it over the other photo. Then press the shift key so it gets centered over the photo and release. Now the texture is a lot smaller than the photo itself, so you're pressing Ctrl T, that is for free transform, and just move it around and drag it by the handles to make it larger. Then you just tick here to lock it in. Now of course you can't see the photo underneath anymore, but you can see here on the right that you have 2 layers now. In challenge 1 we used the different blend modes, and we do that again now. You just click here and try some of the blending modes: soft light, screen, multiply. In this case I'm going to use multiply, and now what we don't like, the texture is nice, but we don't like it that much in her face. So we need to use a layer mask, which you find down here on the bottom right. Just click and you see there's a mask added. So everything we paint on that mask will reveal the layer below. So you press the button B for brush, or you use the brush sign here. And now you have that circle, which you can make larger by pressing the brackets up, down, and make sure that your opacity up here is not too high. I use 50% now, and then you just click in there and start painting. So that is quite easy to do. If you make a mistake like that here, you just press the X key, that toggles around your background and foreground like you can see here, and paint over it, so your mistake is undone. Then press X again and continue editing here. So I think that is fine. Once you're finished, press the V key again, or here the button for move. Go to layer, flatten image, and save it. That's all.